This maple bacon sweet potato gratin tastes smoky, rich, and slightly sweet. Thinly layered sweet potatoes baked in a 4-inch skillet with maple cream, bacon bits, and sharp cheddar cheese, finished with a bubbling, crispy cheese top. In a small bowl, mix 40 grams cream, 15 grams maple syrup with salt and pepper. Peel and thinly slice 60 grams sweet potato into the bowl and toss with the cream mixture. A small plastic mandolin is the tool I like to use. Then layer the potatoes in a buttered skillet with cheddar cheese and bacon bits, finishing with bacon and cheddar on top, reserving half of the cheddar cheese for a cheesy crust. Cover the skillet with a small piece of aluminum foil to cook the potatoes in their own steam, and bake in a 375-degree Fahrenheit oven until the potatoes are cooked, about 30 minutes. Remove the foil to allow the steam to escape and thicken the sauce. A small knife should have no resistance cutting through the potato. Work quickly, do not allow the skillet to cool down too much, and spread the remaining cheese on top. Then bake until the cheese is bubbling and the edges are crisp, another 10 to 15 minutes.